Welcome friends. In the last video, we learned how to create ORCID account. In this video, we will learn how we can add content to our ORCID profile. This is the homepage of your account. Here you will see all your informations. You can edit them and you can add your data. So on the left you can see your ORCID ID which you can share. Clicking on view public version opens the page which will be visible to anyone who has access to your ORCID ID. So let us go back to add some data. From here you can edit your biography, then you can change the visibility settings also. You can make it open for everyone or for trusted parties, or you can keep it private. Then you can add employment details. So first we need to verify our email address to make use of our ORCID ID. To verify our email, we have to open the link that is sent on our email. So let us open the email. If you do not receive the email in your inbox, you may check for spam also. Sometimes such emails go to our spam also. So you can see this email from ORCID. So click on verify your email address. So this verifies the account. So now we can add details to our account. We can add employment details, we can add education and qualifications, invited positions and distinctions that we have, any membership or service that we own, or funding that we have received from anywhere, or whatever work we have done, our research, publications, conference presentations, data sets, and any other information that we want to add, we can add. To add employment, click on add employment. Then you will get this form. Here you have to write the name of the organization for which you work, then department in which you work, city, role or title, state or region, then URL of your organization, country in which the organization is, then date of joining, and if you want to, if you have left working at that place, then you can also write your end date. Then you can set the visibility. You can keep it open for everyone, or you can keep it open for your trusted members, or you can keep it private. So after adding employment, you can add any other information. To add any information, you have to first click on the plus icon. It will open a form which you have to fill to complete adding the detail whichever you want. Now let us add some work. So click on add works. So to add research paper, you can add your research paper manually, or you can add your research paper by adding your archive ID or your DOI or PubMed ID, whichever you have. So I have access to my DOI, so I will fill the DOI of my research paper. Copy paste your DOI. Once you paste your DOI in this bar, then click on retrieve to retrieve the data. So this will automatically retrieve all your details. You don't have to fill them manually. You can once check before clicking on add. So before adding, you can set visibility also. Then click on add to list to add this research paper to your ORCID ID. So my research paper is added to my ORCID ID. Now I can share this detail with anyone through my ORCID ID. Then if you will go to at the top, then under your name you can see 3-4 options. You can see that there is an option of inbox where you will get messages from Orchid or any other member who wants to send you messages. Then under account section you can edit your password. So here in account settings you can edit your email or notification preferences, your language, your password, your visibility preferences. You can also deactivate your Orchid account. You can remove duplicate records. You can add two-factor authentication to further secure your account, and you can also download all the data which you have collected over the years. Let us now go back to our home page. So click on the left side there is public record print view. Click on that to see the print view of the data which we have added just now. So you can see that my employment details and my work details are automatically available here. So I can take a printout of this and share it with anyone I want. This is all we have in Orchid. Thank you.